This is a home workout for legs, which consists of 3 exercises. So basically, all the 3 exercises are body weight exercises, and for one of them, you need elevated surface. Like you can use a couch, bed, or any chair at your home. I've been doing these exercises for a while, so if the reps and sets are too much for you, you can reduce it by your choice. So with that note, let's begin. So the first exercise is Bulgarian split squats. For positioning yourself, first find an elevated surface. It can be your chair or sofa. Then sit down on the elevated surface and take a step ahead while sitting. Now this is the position where one of your leg remains. Now place the other leg on the sofa behind you. This completes your positioning. While doing this squat, keep the tension on the front leg and try to keep the quads of other leg straight. The next on the list are hamstring contractions. For placement, stand in a spacious place besides a wall. Then raise the leg below the knee backwards. Then when they are at the topmost position, try to focus and squeeze the back of your thigh. Do 3 sets of this exercise, each containing 8 to 15 reps. Last on the list are calf raises. While doing this exercise, focus on the calves and try to squeeze them at the topmost position. Do 2 sets of each containing 15 to 20 reps.